In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion habit tracker using Notion buttons. This is a practical, clickable way to keep up with your daily routines, and Notion makes it flexible enough to match your exact needs. First, open Notion. If you aren't already signed in, click Login in the top right corner. If you prefer using Google, choose the Google option and select your account. Once you're in, we can start building. Head to Notion AI. You'll see a prompt area where you can describe what you want, type in something like create a habit tracker with buttons, and include any keywords that matter to you, such as daily, calendar, or by habit. Give it a moment to generate. When the tracker appears, click the page to open it so you can explore what was created. Across the top, you'll likely see multiple views, such as by habit and calendar. Think of views as different lenses on the same data. The by habit view helps you focus on each routine individually, while the calendar view shows how your habits play out over time. Feel free to switch between them and adjust any filters or sorting to match your workflow. To add a new habit, look for the New Page button in the database. Click it and type the habit name, something short and clear like running or reading. Repeat this for as many habits as you want. Keeping names consistent will make your views cleaner and easier to scan. Now let's bring in buttons so you can quickly mark things as done. Add a simple checkbox style button to your tracker so each habit can be marked complete for the day. A quick click gives you immediate feedback and a satisfying sense of progress. This little interaction is what makes the tracker easy and fun to maintain. If you want a complete snapshot of everything, click the All tab to see all your habits together. This is great for spotting trends and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, take a moment to edit the properties of your tracker. You can add options or drop down selections that fit your routine, things like time of day or difficulty level. Customize labels and colors to make the information pop. The goal is to tailor the tracker so it supports your habits, not the other way around. And that's it. You've created a Notion habit tracker using buttons. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.